Yeah. You know, we just kind of got to tweak it. All right, so we're here in Costa Mesa taking a look at a project that we got started a couple months back. So what the deal was, the house in the back was settling pretty much due to expansive soils. It was settling down about 3 inches in both corners of the back of the house. There's some movement in other parts of the house, but nothing drastic like the back corners. So what we did is we specifically focused on this. The homeowner, like many people, were on a budget for something like this, and she wanted to focus on the worst areas. So what we've done is we've piered the back side of the house to address that drop, and we're going to lift the house, and then we're going to inject a polyurethane foam after we do the lift to fill in that void between the soil and the foundation. And the piers themselves will hold up the house, but the polyurethane foam adds that extra structural support. It's always recommended by engineers in cases like this. So yeah, you can take a look and see what we have.